Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be making a thick and glossy slime, showing you how to do it using school glue. It's such an easy recipe. You guys are going to love the slime that it makes, and oh, it's one of my favorites. You can scent it however you want. You can color it however you want. There's so many options to customize this to your liking. Let's just jump right into the video and get started. So you want to start off adding your school glue to your bowl. I did more than a cup. I usually like to do a cup, but I've been over pouring these days. So now I'm adding a bunch of foam soap and I'm adding baby oil. If you are a regular of mine and you follow all my slime tutorials, you know that I love to put foam soap in pretty much all of my slimes. You can totally leave it out of this recipe if you don't have it or you don't want to use it. The slime will still turn out super thick and glossy. It will just not be as puffy or airy, which that's not really what you want in a thick and glossy slime anyways. That's just my preference. So leave it out if you like. Okay, so for the activator, you want to use a stronger activator. I'm using 1.5 teaspoons of borax dissolved in 1 cup of water. Add the powdered borax directly to your warm water and make sure it's dissolved before you start adding it to your slime. You want to minimize the amount of liquid going into your school glue mixture, and that's kind of how we achieve the thick and glossy effect using school glue. Now I am scenting it with this fruity ring scent because what else is better than a thick and glossy cereal milk type slime? So I just love this scent, and that's why I'm adding it. I'm just mixing it in. You can see that the slime is a little on the tough side, but just because it was activated recently, it's going to be a little rippy. It's going to be a little tough, but you can knead it, or you could just set it aside in a container for about 10 minutes or so, and it'll soften up the more that you play with it. As you can see here, it's kind of glossing up a little bit, and it's a softer texture. So let's talk gloss. So it usually takes about a day to fully gloss up. So you can see it is glossy here, but it'll be even more glossy tomorrow. So if your slime is not glossy enough, just set it aside overnight and you'll see the next time you open the container, it'll be super glossy, super shiny, and you will be in love. Oh, those are my markers. I thought I'd try coloring this slime a little differently. I've never actually done the marker thing to thick and glossy slime, so I thought I would try it out. Coloring the slime like this was actually so soothing. I just kept wanting to I just wanted to keep poking the colors on there, and I'd actually like to do this with rainbow colors and a bunch of other colors. I think it would be really fun and really cool to do. Well, that's it for my tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, turn on notifications if you'd like to be notified every single time I upload a new video. And I will see you guys tomorrow in my next video. Love you guys.